Good morning, dear children. On the last turn, we discussed part 1 from chapter 15. The title of the chapter is World of Sports, in which we read terms that are used in sports. Today, let's continue it. Children, can you tell me to which sports are these terms related? Bogey, caddy, and putt. You can see the picture of this sports also. I hope you would have guessed it correct. Yes, it is golf. Next, identify this very famous sports person. Many of you would know him. He is Major Dhyan Chand, who belonged to hockey. The terms related to hockey are bully, free hit, and stick. Now, next picture. Can you identify which sports does this picture belong to? It is horse riding. The terms used in it are jockey, punt, and steeplechase. Now, next, children, can you tell me the terms figures, skating, roller skating, and roller board are related to which sports? It is performed on ice. Yes, it is ice skating. Good. Now, next, dear children, this sports is rugby. Terms related to it are tackle, scrum, and try. Next, sports is quite interesting. It is rowing. Terms related to it are bow, paddle, and regatta. Children, how many of you have ever heard the name of Apurvi Chandela? Can you tell me to which sports does she belong? Did you know she belongs to Udaipur? Yes, our lake city. I think you are correct. She belongs to shooting. Terms related to shooting are bullseye, marksmanship, and muzzle. Now let's move ahead. Children, be ready to tell me the answer. Identify her. I hope all of you would know her. Yes, you are correct. She is Bhakti Sharma. She belongs to swimming. Terms related to swimming are breaststroke, crawl, and butterfly. Now, next, she is Manika Batra. Tell me which sports does she belong to? You are correct. Table tennis. Terms used in it are anti-loop, backspin, and twiddle. Next, please identify this Indian sports person. He is Mahesh Bhupati. He is lawn tennis player. Terms related to lawn tennis are ace, volley, and deuce. Next, children, can you identify this sports? It is volleyball. Terms related to it are jump set, scouting, and volley. Now, last pictures. How many of you know these famous Indian sports persons? They belong to boxing. Can you guess? They are Vinesh Phogat and Yogeshwar Dutt. Terms used in this game are half Nelson, scissor, and hold. So, my dear children, lesson number 15, World of Sports is over.